Hello everybody. Today here I am with the second chapter of your first flight book. The name of the chapter is Nelson Mandela. This chapter is an account of Nelson Mandela's life. It is an autobiography in fact. Nelson Mandela, a very important person whom we know from time immemorial that he had fought against apartheid. After a long struggle, he was elected as the president, as the first black president, and on 10th May 1994, he was going to take his oath as the first black president. 10 मई 1994 में उनका ये शपथ ग्रहण समारोह होने जा रहा था और देश विदेशों से लोग आए थे इस ऐतिहासिक समारोह का साक्षी बनने. The inauguration celebration was held in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings of Pretoria. मंडेला अपनी स्पीच में ये उन्होंने कहा कि he pledged to liberate all his people from the bondage of poverty, deprivation, gender sufferings and discrimination. उन्होंने अपनी स्पीच में कहा कि वो अपने देश के लोगों को गरीबी, डेप्रिविएशन, जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी और डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से मुक्त करने जा रहे थे. उस दिन भी खड़े होके शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा दुख महसूस हो रहा था. He was missing those heroes who fought with him for this day. उन्हें दुख इस बात का था कि वो उन लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा भी नहीं कर पाए जिनकी वजह से आज उन्हें ये दिन देखने को नसीब हो रहा था. He felt very bad that he was unable to thank these people for their selfless sacrifices. He said that every man has twin obligation. उन्होंने कहा कि हर एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी में ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशन होती है. पहला ऑब्लिगेशन होता है उनका अपना फैमिली के प्रति, अपना पेरेंट्स, अपना वाइफ, अपना चिल्ड्रन के प्रति. दूसरा ऑब्लिगेशन ये होता है टू हिज कंट्री, टू हिज पीपल एंड टू हिज कम्युनिटी. ही टॉक्स अबाउट ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशंस, one towards his family, parents and children, and the other one to his country, to his countrymen. मंडेला ने ये लड़ाई अपने लिए नहीं लड़ी थी. He fought this battle, you can say, for the freedom of each and every people. He hated those people, those who deprived other people from their freedom. जो लोग दूसरे लोगों की आज़ादी छीन लेते थे वो नेल्सन मंडेला के नज़र में नफ़रत के लायक थे. He just did not allow this to happen. He could not allow this to happen. So, he fought for a greater cause. एक महान कारण था उनकी लड़ाई का, and he fought for this greater cause. Finally, he was successful and he was able to get rid out of this apartheid system. And he was elected as the first black president of a freely and fairly elected government. Whatever I have told you, it is just the gist of the chapter. There are many more things you will come across regarding Nelson Mandela whenever you will go through the prose piece. You will have to go through the prose piece line wise so that you can get a clear idea of what is there about Nelson Mandela. अब ये चीज़ है कि आप सिर्फ इस वीडियो के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कीजिएगा. After hearing the video, you will go through the chapter then it will help you to understand the chapter better. Along with this explanation, I will also give you some questions with answers so that you can get a clear-cut idea about what type of questions can be framed or what type of questions can come for you to answer. You can make this type of questions. There are oral questions in between the chapter जिनको आप आंसर कीजिएगा. That will make your understanding much better. And again, I am telling you that if you have any type of problems, you can feel free to ask me. Stay home and have a good day. Bye.